issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 8:45 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles west of Pine Beach to 21 nautical miles northwest of Atlantic City to 23 nautical miles northeast of Cedars, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Beach Haven, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Little Egg Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Ship Bottom, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Fork River, and Brigantine. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The coastal waters forecast